Did you know there's a YouTube channel that only posted 33 videos, yet hit 140K subscribers in just 4 months? Some of their videos are already pushing 2 million views. By the way, this isn't a YouTube Shorts niche. It's all about long-form videos. There aren't many channels doing this right now, so if you want in, you gotta act fast. This niche is called Deep Philosophy and Timeless Wisdom. They pair unique visuals with a voiceover, and it's working like magic. In this video, I'll show you how to create content just like the hidden library. So, grab a coffee and stick around till the end. Alright, let's jump into creating. The first step is to open ChatGPT, analyze the channel, and gather info from it. Titles, transcripts, everything. That helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you're aiming for, including the niche and overall style, so it can guide you each step of the way. The key to the whole process is topic research and title generation. It's super important and can be a bit tricky, so pay attention. Where do we get title ideas? Easy. Follow the steps I'm about to show you. Check the link in the description for my WhatsApp channel. I've put all the prompts there for free. Once ChatGPT has analyzed the channel, type in the prompt asking for 10 similar topics, plus the formatting requirements. Bam! ChatGPT will spit out ideas in no time. Need more? Just say, "Give me 20 more." And voila! You'll never run out of topics. No more stressing about your next video idea. Once you've nailed down a topic, let's analyze a script. Open a popular video, click More, then scroll down to view the transcript. Copy and paste it into ChatGPT to let it analyze the structure for you. That'll come in handy when you write your own script. After it's done, go back to ChatGPT to create your script. For instance, let's say your topic is "The real meaning of all is one." Bam! And you can set a word count for a video length of at least 8 minutes, since this is long-form video content. Script ready? Great. Next step, images. We'll use AI for that. Head back to ChatGPT, set the role, and enter the prompt. Wait a second, and you'll get a list of image prompts. Copy those prompts and go to Piclumen AI. Or you can use Leonardo AI or Dreamina, whatever works. Select the Piclumen Art V1 model, set the aspect ratio to 16.9, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Keep copying and pasting until you've got all your images, then download them to your computer. Now we need a voiceover. You can use DupeDub or 11 Labs. Both offer some free credits. Check the links in the description if you're curious. Let's try DupeDub. Pick a voice. Paste your script. Hit Generate, and you're good to go. Next, it's time to edit the video. Open CapCut, import your images and voiceover. Drop the voiceover on the timeline, trim out long pauses, and adjust the volume. Then match each image to the voiceover. Add a couple of cool effects, tweak the colors, and set keyframes to give the images some movement. Toss in transitions, sound effects, and subtitles. Finally, add background music and turn it down just enough so it doesn't overpower your narration. And we're ready to export, right? But wait, don't forget a memorable quote at the very beginning. Let me show you how I do it. Alright, now we can export. By the way, I sped up the editing part because some viewers said it took too long. I'm trying to keep it short but still clear. Thanks a bunch for all your support and subscriptions. If you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to reply if I know the answer. Okay, that's it for today's video. Now let's check out what we've created. Have you ever stood under a vast, starry sky, feeling both tiny and yet somehow connected to everything? In that moment, you sense an unspoken truth. There is a hidden web linking all life. The ancient sages of Egypt, the rishis of India, the mystics of every culture have whispered one core idea: all is one. A message so simple it can be overlooked, yet so profound it can redefine our very reality. Welcome, wanderer of wonders, to a realm where centuries of wisdom converge on a single truth. In this expedition, we'll unravel the real meaning behind that phrase, all is one. It may sound like a comforting cliché, but as we dig deeper, we'll discover it to be a radical and transformative insight. An insight that declares separation an illusion, claiming our world and every being in it form an indivisible tapestry of existence. This journey will not be a mere intellectual exercise. Instead, we'll weave together hidden teachings from ancient civilizations, the stirring echoes of sacred texts, and contemporary reflections from science and psychology. Prepare to venture into realms where cosmic unity meets tangible, everyday life, where the intangible becomes not just possible, but profoundly practical. By the end, you might see your life in a whole new light. You may glimpse, if only fleetingly, that behind every pair of eyes is a mirror of your own essence. This is more than a philosophical stance. It's an alchemy of the soul, capable of melting boundaries and igniting compassion. If you're ready to step into that mystery, let us begin.